Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The 11th row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. Okay, this is our row and this is the start. So ring, chain, chain. Again, here is the joint picot with two picots at the same time, and chain, chain, ring. And this time you need to make a joint picots between chains 2 times. So it's here and here. Please pay attention and do not skip those moments. And yeah, basically everything is the same. Just don't miss those joint picots and the joint picot with 2 picots at the same time. And this is how it should look. Just one row to go. There should be one ring here and here, here and here. And this will be the point when the pineapple element will be connected. So we're so close. If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching, and as usual, like, comment and subscribe. Have a great time tatting. See you in the next video. Bye!